hesitating. Kryptonite desires set my heart afire. Heart on fire. Set my heart afire.
Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. This video is highly requested. Like, people come to me and like, Chide, you have been showing us how to style our hair. How do we maintain it? So this is one of the videos that you need to use to maintain your hair. Remember, I used this hair some months back to do a half up, half down weave, quick weave. And so after I carried the hair for a while and I just removed the quick weave and I just dumped it in a corner. So this time around I want to style this same hair again in a different way. So I just got this hair out of the corner where I dumped it, and I like, okay, this is the time to show you guys what I do. So when you have your weave that looks this way, you need some combs, brushes, whatever is good for you, you know, to just start working with. Because the first thing you need to do before you go and wash your hair is to make sure that you detangle it. You need also some bubbles. So now the first step I do is just to get the first bundle like this, and you can see some hair that are like doing like flying away and all over the place. You just have to just gently brush down from the weft area downwards. So you just continue to brush and make sure that you detangle everything, because if you go to wash your hair and you don't detangle it, you might mess it up. A lot of people don't know this. They just, you know, put the hair in the water, pour shampoo, like just wash it like they are washing their clothes, and before you know it, everything is just like upside down, and they begin to blame the vendor, blame the hair companies, and like the hair is not good. No, girl, you need to take care of your hair. Like, it's your hair, because you put it on your hair, on your head, you have to take care of it. So now you have to make sure that it's properly detangled. When it's detangled, you just fold it into a wrap like so, and I just use a bubble and hold it down. This is one bundle of hair that I've used before. So after I've finished doing that, I'm going to the next one. This is the one I use for the quick weave at the back. So it has some glue on it. You can see the glue on it, and it also is shredded in pieces because I was cutting from side to side to fit the angle of my head. So yeah, so this one will take a little bit of my time because I have to make sure that I place it very well before I begin to brush it. Make sure, I repeat, make sure that it's well detangled. Like that, you'll be so it will be so easy to go to the next step. So this is what I'll be doing. I'll make sure that I comb all the 3 bundles and I set them aside and put them in a bun. Why I'm putting them in a bun is because it makes it easy for you to wash. Like if it's in a bun like this and you're going to wash it, you know that your hair is in one place, and when you're washing the weft, you know you're washing it also in one place. So this is the 3 bundles that I'm going to wash today, because the last time I used this hair I didn't use the closure, so I still have the closure intact and it's new. So I'm going to use the closure in this video to construct a wig for you guys to see. So now in a warm water, I just make sure that I saturate the hair with water before I use my shampoo. I'm going to use my favorite shampoo, which is Tresemme. Whatever works for you is good, but this shampoo is nice. It has some kind of like, you know, when it touches the hair, it melts the hair, and you know, it begins to foam, and then you know, by the time before you know, 2 applications, your hair is clean and neat. So I'm washing this hair 2 times and rinsing it out, and I make sure that I wash the weft very well, because that's the place that has most of the dirt. And so, and as if you are washing it, you will see the motion I'm going. You wash it downwards, don't ever take it backwards, because when you take it backward, the hair will tangle more and you'll be in trouble. And so for you not to lose so much hair when washing your hair, you just wash it downwards. Then after I finish washing it, I'm going to go ahead with my Tresemme conditioner. I'm going to add a lot of conditioner on these bundles, lot of it. so I make sure I rub it in like I said before. And this time around I'll be brushing the hair out to see if I have any any shedding, you know. So now, so this is what I'm doing, and also you can see how silky the hair is beginning to look. So just brush it through the combs of the brush like that, then you put it aside. I'll take the second bundle and also do the same, and I just put it aside. I make sure that I do all this process on all the bundles, and I'm taking my time to do this because girl, this hair is not cheap. Like, if you have this kind of hair, you have to take care of it. You can see how silky and nice it is. See how lovely it is. So your hair needs to be washed sometimes, girls. Don't just wear your hair the whole year and you didn't wash it and you say it's tangling. This hair needs moist sometimes. It needs cleanliness sometimes. So you just have to give that to the hair. So now I'm going to add a little bit of olive oil. You know, I'll make sure I just put a little bit. That's enough for the 3 bundles. So I make sure I rub it in all of it, put it together on the wefts everywhere. Then remember, I still have the conditioner on the hair, so I'm going to now go ahead and put it in a bag. You can use any kind of bag. I use the freezer zip bag, but I couldn't be bothered to look for any, so I just put it in a container, and you have to pour in hot boiling water and leave it for like 10 minutes for it to condition very well, you know, and this will give you an amazing result. And so after leaving it for a while and you get it out, you can just place it on the towel, allow it to dry. But what I do is while it's drying up, I keep brushing it. I thought I have a video of that, but I didn't get to see it. So while it's drying up, after a while I brush it out, you know, to make the hair more straight. So now guys, this is the final look. Those 3 bundles of hair at the beginning that were looking like a hot mess now look like a brand new bundles. So yeah, this is my simple way of taking care of my weave. So guys, this hair is by Yiroo hair. Don't forget to check in the description box. They have promotion going on and they have coupon codes and all that for my customers. So if you are interested in purchasing this hair, make sure you check the description box because all the information that you need to know about this hair is nice. This is like from this video you can see that this hair has good quality. It can last you for like 2 years and even more if you take care of it very well. And this is like the look I went for. I made this hair into a wig, and yeah, this is me rocking the hair, and I really love it. It's beautiful, it's fluffy, it's simple, it's silky, you know, the texture is amazing, it's beautiful. I really love this hair, and I got lots of compliments. You will believe that I'm starting this hair for the 2nd time, different styles, and I still look really nice with it. So guys, okay guys, if you enjoyed this video, make sure you give me a thumbs up and make sure you subscribe to my channel. And thanks so much for watching this video, and until next time, bye.